Okurugera hari Moses Katamba uri mukuru w'entebe yo kubanza habwa Nyamwamba East tubakamanyire bukomoko bwo mu rogu kandi ebintu nyamwingi bicwekerezibwe
tukyagenda mu maiso n'okaguliriza nuko twetegereze guno muro gwa letwachi
ogu nayongeragira ngo abatura barukoresa amashanyarazi bashemerire kwerinda munonga no kumanya ebintu byakubasa kuretaho kubarukaho komoro
abakozesa amashanyarazi oyine muno kumanyira amashanyarazi gano nkoko galinda munju orole zino wires zitakwatagana ekya kabiri omuntu obwakwija kucharginga wawe muka oyine kurora charge oboraba no charging erian oyine kurora nko kujja kuri charging.
We don't know the origin of that fire. We've lost our property and we request for good wishes if they can help us.
SPLO kumbusa oriyo mushuganisa wa polisi n'abatura ahabwe cyangwa cya Rwenzori East nagira ngo nka polisi batandikira kucondoza ubukomoko bwo mu rogu.
We are yet to get more details about the cause of the fire and perhaps what could have been perished.
Ebintu ebinyakubaire munju tinsobora kubara abo kubasazino namberande kubaliza itwena tucyaloho na mukama wenju takaizire no kwakatoleka ebintu ebinyakwire nibehana beha.
Polisi yongire yarabara abatura okwegendesera zo kozya kasasiro hamwe n'ebindi bintu.
Burning of like garbage, because anything may fly from garbage where maybe you are burning something and it goes up to the house. Candle lightening, you find the curtain, neither mosquito net is closer. Sigiri you cook.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Mahunguzi.